Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and I will tell you what we are going to see today. We are going to see a beautiful button with a beautiful animation effect, and after that I will explain code to you from first line to last line. Everything I will explain, and I will provide the code source file in the video description, and you no need to copy the code from here from the video, and do not just blindly copy and paste my code. Just I will tell you how to copy and paste in code, and I will provide code for both for NextJS and for TypeScript also. So okay, so without any wastage of time, I will show you what we are going to see today. I already open this project to avoid any wastage of timing. So this is the project. Like if we hover on the blue part, the whole button change to blue, and if we hover on the white part, the whole button change to white. See the effect. And guys, you can customize this according to your project. Like if you are using some dark background, customize this button according to your project. Customize this color, customize this text, everything. Customize the size of the button according to your project and give a better look to your project. Okay. And if you think guys, I'm providing some good content for your development journey, so make sure to support my channel. And if you think I'm making some mistakes, so please comment below what mistake I am making. I will correct those mistakes. And okay, so I will show you the code also. Here is the code. Here is JSS code, and here is the TypeScript. This is a small code, like it's a button, so the code is so small. And here is the TypeScript code. So if you are using TypeScript in your project, just copy this code and paste it in your project. Okay. And here is the CSS file code. Okay, here is I commented out these all things. I commented out. So here is the CSS code. So copy this CSS code, and I will scroll below also. Here it's end of the CSS code. So copy this code and paste it in your project. You will get beautiful effect in your project. Okay, and if you want to customize, you can customize. Like I am using background linear gradient, you can change these all things, everything you can change. Okay, I think if you are a fresher or a beginner, you can do this easily. And okay guys, I try to cover every thing from my side. If you think I need to add some more thing, I forgot to add more thing, please comment what I forget. So that's it for today. Meet in next video. Okay, thanks a lot guys.